fighting to get paid, policyholder keeping the check and refusing to pay for all your hard work, doing the work only to have the insurance company delay payment for months on end, only to underpay on materials, to deny reasoning for the necessity of performing certain scopes, and to deny overhead and profit. The restoration industry relies heavily on proceeds from property insurance policies as compensation for their restoration services. In many cases, they are fronting the funds for the services performed in the hopes of eventually being paid down the line after work has already been completed. After being dragged around for months, restorers give in to greatly reduced prices for their work just to make payroll and keep the lights on. An assignment makes you the owner of insurance proceeds. To maximize the power of an assignment, it should include more than just the right to proceeds. It should transfer legal ownership of all the policyholder rights against an insurance company with respect to your scope of work. You say you have a direction to pay? Many restorers falsely believe that their contracts contain assignment of benefits, when in fact all they include is an unenforceable direction to the insurance company to name the restorer on checks. Insurers routinely ignore those requests. The direction to pay is not an assignment of legal rights and usually will not solve the many payment problems that plague the restoration industry. Policyholder runs off with the insurance proceeds? Once the insurance company is on formal notice of an enforceable assignment, it must name the restorer on the check. If it fails to do so, it could be forced to pay again if the policyholder runs off with the money or uses it to pay off the mortgage. Policyholder files for bankruptcy. An assignment may prevent the policyholder from discharging that debt. Get the most definitive guide to the restorer's most powerful collection device, the book on the assignment of benefits by Ed Cross. Learn how to present an assignment, overcome the use of standardized prices as global prices, receive the right to appraisal, and if it comes down to enforcing your rights, prosecute the claim directly against the insurance company. There is no greater way to empower restorers to recover fair market value for restoration service than with a properly drafted assignment of insurance rights. The book includes an assignment of insurance rights and notice of assignment letters for 50 states plus DC. All forms are downloadable and fully editable in MS Word. It is time to get paid the fair market value for the work that you provide.